Governors in our region, including Pennsylvania, New Jersey, are all working together now to combat gun violence. They're taking part in a new data sharing agreement. They announced that earlier in a press conference that aired live on CBS in Philly. Eyewitness News reporter Alecia Reid is in Morristown with more on this collaborative approach. Alecia.
Good evening, Natasha. Right now, many people can agree the nation is facing a national gun violence epidemic. Authorities say there was a spike during the pandemic, and now these four governors are working hand in hand to curb it.
We can end gun violence.
An anti-violence gun rally on the heels of multiple homicides in South Jersey. In attendance, former Congresswoman and shooting survivor Gabby Giffords.
It's not true that there's nothing we can do.
State officials are collaborating to attack the gun violence epidemic head-on. The governors from New Jersey, Pennsylvania, New York, and Connecticut announced a memorandum to share gun crime data in order to enhance public safety.
Where are the guns coming from? How are they getting on our streets? And why is there such a disproportionate impact of young people, particularly in communities of color?
Their plan is to go after dealers, firearms traffickers, and other criminals. Governor Phil Murphy says gun laws are only as good as those in surrounding states. And the heads of these states want to make sure they're using tools to keep residents safe.
I think this can be a very powerful and innovative way to approach this issue. And I'm very proud to be able to work with New York and New Jersey and Connecticut in doing this.
Working with law enforcement partners, they believe they'll be able to track these guns. In Trenton, where the city saw 4 homicides since the weekend, Mayor Reid says partnering with the state and county has made a difference.
Just this year, we have confiscated over 150 weapons. We installed a real-time crime center. It's the 3rd in the state outside of Camden and Newark. And that really tracks the data, but also uses modern police intelligence to track criminals in the
In Trenton, the mayor says teamwork led to the arrest of 2 suspects connected to one of the homicides from last weekend's shootings. Now, Pennsylvania Governor Tom Wolf said the state is working to quell violence. His administration this year put $30 million into gun violence prevention. Of course, there's still a long way to go. Reporting live from Morristown, Alecia Reid, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Alecia, thank you.